I hear a diesel truck. Looks like the garbage truck. It is the garbage truck. It's getting Frank and Joy's trash. And then it's gonna run into Papa Al's car. Well, bam! It's gonna grab our trash can sideways. What if it dropped it in there? That'd be hilarious. Oh, that's how you're gonna treat our trash can now? I know it smells like dead rodent, but really, people. I'm just messing with you. They're fine. Beep, beep. There it goes. International Work Star. That's what it is. It's not a Durastar. I thought the Durastars were more... the front was more rounded. But... man, this piece of garbage stinks. Oh, I thought it was going to grab their recycling bin. And I'm like, you guys aren't the recycling people. But whatever. And they are out of here. There they go.